Hey there guys, welcome back to That Long Garage. I'm Anthony. In today's video we're working on the focus. So in today's video we're going to go ahead and be swapping out this valve cover. So it is obviously leaking some oil. It was leaking around the edges, and I actually went to replace the gaskets, and this valve cover is kind of old. It's like 160,000 miles on this engine. So it had gotten heat soaked, and when we took it off it cracked a little bit right over here. So here you can see all of that oil sprayed out. There's actually the crack formed right under here. I went ahead and covered it for now while I waited, but there was actually a crack that went around here as well. Of course it still sprayed out a little bit there, so that wasn't great. So we'll go ahead and take this cover off. We're going to be swapping out to this new one. Obviously brand new, got it on Amazon. If you guys need it, we'll have the link down below. But obviously there's a bit of a difference. We need to paint this new one to look like that one. Alright, so the first step is to go ahead and take off your electrical connections. So on these you just pop this little purple thing back. Let me go easier on that one. And then push down and pull out. There it goes. And then slide the red part back, push the black part down. Go ahead and take the dipstick out. Alright guys, so pretty much all you're going to need on this whole thing is going to be this 8mm. I've got one that's really bendy because you're going to need it for one spot here. So I'm just going to work around. So there's this little bracket that holds this fuel line there. All you're going to have to do is just bend it out of the way once you get it unbolted. And that's going to be this little bolt here. Again, 8mm. And we can keep working on the other bolts here. Alright, so we got this old one off, and we can go ahead and wait for that one to dry and then plop that one back in. So I'm just going to go around and clean up all the places the gasket is going to hit. Give it a nice clean working surface. Get off all the old oil. Alright guys, so as you can see we went ahead and got that valve cover painted. I went ahead and oiled up these gaskets here. Transferred the cam sensors onto this new one. And we're pretty much ready to install. The only thing is we need to take this little gasket maker here, hit 4 different spots, here, here, and then on this cam side here. Alright, so now we gotta very carefully put this on, make sure our gasket's all seated nicely, and then we're just gonna reverse what we did before. Try to slide it in. Alright, so the next step, we're just going to have to follow this little guide here. I'll put that up on the screen. I'm going to start out by just going through the torque sequence and just doing it hand tight. Alright guys, and with that we have the new valve cover swapped out, all new gaskets, we got the seals done on each side of there, and everything's done. Hopefully this won't leak. I'm going to let this sit, let the gaskets dry, and I'll go ahead and take it out for a test drive. But that's going to be it for this video guys. And like I said earlier, any links to this stuff that we use is going to be down below. So Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not. See you guys next time. Bye.